everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm the Taylorette, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my cover buttons. Okay, so to start off with, you are going to need to have a tool and a cover button and the button back. This is what the button will look like once it's finished. I don't know if you can see that, but so we'll set that aside as an example, and then you'll need your fabric that you plan on using and a pair of scissors. So basically, you can find these on eBay or you can find them at your local craft store. One thing I will say is make sure when you purchase one of these cover buttons or cover button sets that it comes with a tool. There have been several times where I've purchased cover buttons in the past and they didn't come with the right tool or the right size, and each tool accommodates a different size. This is for a 3/4 inch size, so you would not use this for your 5/8 or 1/4 inch or whatever. One size does not fit all with the tools, so make sure when you buy a certain cover button size that it comes with a tool. So that's that. This is the bag of cover buttons that I purchased off of eBay. They come in bulk and they offer the tool, the option to purchase the tool with it or not. And here are the backs. If you're going to purchase from the store, your tool will come with two of these guys, your little push thing and this rubber piece right here. Most of the time, if you purchase it from the store, it will probably look like something like this, but I prefer this. This comes off of eBay with certain sellers. It depends on which seller you purchase from. They all have different tools. So how I do my cover buttons is you take your rubber piece or your rubber cup thing, you put this on top like this, and you stick the cover button inside the rubber piece here, like so. And then after that's stuck in there, you'll see it's kind of has a little opening there. You'll want to trim it to about a 1/4 inch short all the way around the circle. Like that. Trim it off. And then you're going to tuck it in the center. Now, sometimes if you're using a heavier weight fabric, you may not want to trim it as long. You might want to do like an 1/8 inch shorter all the way around so that it'll fit in there. So, but for now, I'm just going to leave it like that because this is just your basic cotton that I'm using. And I'm going to put the backing on top, but you want it nice and even on top. You don't want it cupped open like that or tipped. You want to make sure it goes in nice and flat and straight. Then I'll take this push tool here, whoops, and I'm going to put that on top right, because if you see there is a hole in the middle there. And I'm going to put it over that hook, push down. And what I do is I'll push down on one side first and then do the other side after that. So that's a nice even push. And sometimes you can push to other sides too, just to make sure it goes down nice, but that's pretty secure. So then you push it out and you have your cover button. It's nice and smooth all the way around and it matches your project. And you would sew it on the same way that you would sew on a regular button, just from the hook in the back. It's the same idea. So that is how I put my cover buttons together. So that is how I make my cover buttons. I hope you enjoyed watching this and that it was super helpful. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you all next time.